Picture this, every second a garbage truck full of clothes is burned or dumped in a landfill. The fashion industry, for all its style and glamour, is responsible for up to 10% of global carbon emissions. And in Chile's Atacama Desert, piles of discarded clothing are now so massive, they are visible from space. But what if the solution wasn't only to consume less, but to produce smarter? Right now, artificial intelligence is quietly transforming textile supply chains, and it may be the most impactful change the industry has ever seen. A fast fashion problem. For decades, fashion has followed one model: take, make, waste. Billions of garments produced every year, only to be worn a handful of times or never. Up to 40% of all clothes manufactured never get sold. That's like baking 10 cakes and throwing 4 straight into the trash. Textiles generates 92 millions of waste every year and growing. The industry also ranks as the second largest consumer of water worldwide and produces 1/5 of all wastewater on Earth. This waste ends up in places like Atacama, creating toxic landscapes that will outlive us. And it all starts with the same problem: guesswork on what and how much to produce. How AI is producing the mess. Here is where AI steps in like a super accurate style forecaster. AI analyzes millions of data points, social media trends, weather patterns, shopping behavior, real-time sales, and it predicts what people actually want to buy, meaning brands produce less of what won't sell and cut overproduction before it happens. On factory floors, AI becomes a tireless inspector. Systems like SmartX use high-speed cameras to detect fabric defects instantly. Fixing problem early saves entire rolls of fabric from the trash. AI also plays high-stakes Tetris with fabric. It calculates the most efficient cutting layout, turning what used to be scraps into extra products and profit. Less waste, more margin, cleaner supply chains. The circular future powered by AI. The biggest breakthrough: AI is enabling a circular economy where old garments become new garments. The challenge: modern clothes are a mix of fibers, like trying to separate tea after it's already brewed. But AI-powered sorting machines use near-infrared scanners and robotics to identify fiber types, like reading DNA. Cotton, polyester blends separated at an incredible speed. Some systems even cut away zippers and buttons automatically. Suddenly, textile waste isn't waste anymore. It's valuable raw material. High-quality recycling becomes faster, cheaper, and scalable. This is how we move from landfills to looped fashion, where your old t-shirt doesn't die, it's reborn. The choice we make. The mountains of clothing in the Atacama Desert are a symbol of the past, but they don't have to be our future. AI gives us a chance to fix fashion from the inside out, with smarter production, cleaner promotions, and a circular life for every garment. By supporting brands that use technology responsibly, and by thinking about where our clothes come from, we can help design a cleaner, smarter world, one garment at a time. If you want more insights on how tech is transforming textiles, hit subscribe and drop a comment: AI for sustainability. Together, let's build a fashion industry that cares as much as it creates.